Welcome back to another video, guys. And this video is about to be so fun. We're just making a video about this metal detector right here. This metal detector. So you know what a metal detector is, obviously. So later in this video, we are gonna test this metal detector out. So when the metal detector makes the noise, when it finds metal under the ground, all you have to do is, just switch this button right here to make the sound. And if you want, oh, see, it's turning on. Anyways, it's on. It has battery, and it's pretty cold out here, so that's why I'm wearing a coat and pants. Anyway, so yeah, you could later in this video we are gonna test this out on the grass. So actually, I don't really have much to tell you about this metal detector, so we're pretty much gonna do it now. So look. So let me tell you how it works. Look. All right. Hold on 1 second. All right, look. So, can't really see that as much. Alright, so I am going to test it out on the grass right there. Look. So the metal detector can be used and all things except for concrete. It can be used on grass, dirt, sand, anything. Except for concrete, obviously. So I'm going to use it. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to make the volume a bit higher. I can barely hear it. There's better. Hold on, wait. So in this section right here, there's like, I guess, metal there, and over here, in that section over there, all the way over there, there's not that much metal because it wasn't beeping. Anyways, I'm gonna test it out more. Let's see. There's actually a lot more, probably, I guess, metal in this section than over there, all the way in that section. I don't know why it's beeping now. Anyways. And by the way, I got this metal detector for my birthday. So now I barely use this metal detector. I only use it for videos so I can make money. So yeah, it's cool. Alright. Oh, I forgot. I just turned it on. Let me turn it on. I meant I just turned it off. Let me turn it on. Yeah, there's barely any metal over there. Anyways, let's turn this thing off. So, yeah, so let me tell you more about this metal detector. So yeah, when you get the metal detector, it obviously doesn't come with this. It doesn't come like it's built already. You have to like build it. But it's very easy to build. All you have to do is just like look. It's so easy. Parts are like attached to each other, and you could let's say I take all the parts out. It's just easy to build it back together, unless it actually broke. Anyways, it's very easy to build, and yeah, and so it comes with a shovel so you could dig and see what metal you found. But I didn't bring that. I kind of forgot to bring that. Anyways, so I pretty much told you everything about this metal detector. So bye and peace.